Mrs. Bilkish Khan, retired Chief Commercial Superintendent Western Railways, with an inspiring 37-year journey of excellence and dedication. Women of Year Award 2018 recipient, multi-talented achiever in essay, slogan and speech competition. I call her Insta Queen and Mrs. Fashionista, shopping the latest attire, jewelry, making reels, and a gorgeous glow at 60 that inspires everyone. A truly positive, confident, and inspiring woman. Welcome, Mrs. Bilkish Khan, to my show, Coffee with Dr. Stuti.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Do you know what is the vision or purpose of Coffee with Dr. Stuti?
Yes, Doctor. It's to sharing our inspiring stories and inspire all other women.
So true. So can you just give a brief introduction of yourself and your professional achievements?
I was appointed in Railways in 1988, and I have, in 37 years of my services, I have achieved a lot. But what makes me feel proud is achieving and receiving a prestigious award of Outstanding Woman of the Year 2018.
Wow.
And to receive that award, I had been to Delhi and I got that award from the minister. I'm blessed to be a part of Railway family, and I have settled both the kids abroad. My son is in New Zealand. He's a citizen of New Zealand. My daughter is in Dubai.
In your era, how have you managed and did the work-life balance?
Yeah, it was very hard at that time because me and my hubby both were into the shift duties. And with the shift duties, it was very difficult to manage the kids. And so we both managed it by adjusting our duties and by keeping maids. And at times it was my husband was with my kids and I was at office. And also I would like to give credit to my in-laws. They were also there to look after my children.
Okay.
Even after 37 years, we still have that spark in us.
So romantic. Okay. Any motivating story for the young generation you want to share, or with the women of 30s or 40s, if you want to give some message to them?
It was 2013, a start of my pigmentation. Okay, around my eyes and all pigmentation. So one of my colleagues shared, okay, this is not a big issue. It's a common. It comes after 40s and all. So with an ointment, it will be cured. So without consulting any of the doctor, I just went to the chemist shop, bought that tube and I applied. And after that, the results were really very, very scary. It started spreading. But thanks to my friend, Mrs. Preeti Chawla, I will remain ever grateful to her because she suggested your name and Dr. Stuti Mahajan Khandelwal, the best dermat in the town. And then I met you, I consulted you, and I was in the safe hands. And you first told me to be patient for the results. And with your cure, with your therapies, and under your expertise, it was all gone. It was not a magic. It took about 8 to 10 months. But then it was a turning point of my life with the glowing skin. There was a boost in my energy and confidence, and it turned me into a new Bilkish.
Yes. So don't self-medicate the creams, and so after 30s or 40s,
yes, you should consult a doctor, proper dermat,
dermatologist, and start your anti-aging,
anti-aging
routine. Okay. Anything for the young generation?
A young generation, I would like to say, respect time, relationships, and you will be a better human being.
Okay. The biggest question, how do you self-motivate yourself after getting retired? And what message do you want to give to the women in their 60s?
See, after 60s, you are free from all the responsibilities, liabilities. So focus on you and be happy. Be happy and you will enjoy more. Okay. I'm also now enjoying a lot by participating social events and spreading my social networking.
Okay. आप जब हॉस्पिटल आते हैं, so you are a inspiring woman. So you have so many things to share. I think this conversation is a small conversation for people to understand you, to know you. You have shared a very motivating story with me about your cesarean section. Will you share that story with the audience?
Yeah, definitely. I delivered a baby girl in 1991. Dr. Shubhda Bhide was my gynec, and the day cesarean was done, next day when she came for visiting me, and she was searching all where is the patient, because I was ready with all my makeup and with my new attire and all. I was not in that gown. Okay. तो पेशेंट कहाँ है वो देख रही थी, और पेशेंट तो यहाँ सज धज के एकदम रेडी होके बैठा था। तो उन्होंने कहा कि इनका तुरंत वीडियो बनाया जाए और वीडियो कंटिन्यूअस टीवी पर रन होना चाहिए, कि शी शुड बी लाइक अ रोल मॉडल।
So in our generation, cesarean section is a horizontal line. In your
it was like this big cut. It was,
and recovery used to take
7 to 8 days.
Still, our generation is not getting up from the bed.
No.
All,
I was.
You have shampooed. You have put the lipstick also.
Yes. I was all ready. I was all ready, as if my shoot was going to be happen.
So super. So what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are now shopping, partying with the friends, and making videos. I'm a content creator.
Great.
So,
love marriage across culture. Biggest lesson taught.
When respect and understanding is strong, differences actually don't divide. They make the relationship more beautiful. And glad to share that my son has also married a Jain girl, and we have wholeheartedly welcomed one more religion girl to our family.
Sindhi culture,
culture, Urdu, everything, Urdu, Jain in one family.
Nice. So the cosmopolitan culture, everyone has to learn in this era of 2026. One myth about strong women you want to break.
Strong women also have a heart and emotions, but a woman can shine bright with a right partner standing always beside her.
Right. So behind a successful woman, there is a man. Okay. One thing women should stop feeling guilty about.
Women should stop feeling guilty for choosing themselves.
Okay. So self-love.
Self-love, yeah.
Now, it's lots of interview. Now we are going to have some fun.
Okay.
So let's have some fun with rapid fire questions.
Okay, doctor.
So are you ready?
Yes, doctor.
One word to describe yourself.
Happy soul.
One word to describe me.
Prettiest doctor.
Thank you. One stereotype as a women officer you love breaking.
Women officer can't be strong and stylish. I proved I can be both.
Aesthetic treatment you can't stay young without.
Laser facial and hypo.
Mounjaro journey. Biggest compliment received.
After taking Mounjaro doses, I have been to Dubai, and in one day during my visit to Dubai Mall, I received 20 compliments in a day.
20 compliments in a day. Wow. If your life had a Bollywood title, what would it be?
एक दूजे के लिए.
So हम बने एक तुम बने एक दूजे के लिए. Your lipstick never fades even on sipping coffee or eating food. What's your secret? Brand or technique?
Technique.
Okay, so we have to learn that technique. Yes. Insta reel that went viral.
Once I made a reel with my kitty friends, and that was an outdoor shoot, and it went viral with a 170K views.
170K views. One leadership quality railways taught you.
Communication skills and helping nature.
A quality in partner that made you say yes.
His loving, caring, and his maturity level.
Who is more fashionable, you or your daughter?
Me, obviously me. That's all.
So your positivity inspired me, my hospital team, and I think all the friends, all of your friends a lot, right? So you motivate everyone how to take care of yourself at this age too.
Yeah.
And it was a pleasure having you at my coffee conversation. I hope many women have inspired after seeing you on this platform.
Thank you.